Good afternoon, Abernathy and Jones. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. Yes, I would like to speak to Joseph Abernathy. Is he there?
Oh, I'm sorry. Mr. Abernathy is out of the office at the moment.
Do you know when to expect him?
He should be back at 3 o'clock. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, my name is Philip Mercado.
Is that Philip?
It's only single L.
Okay. May I tell him what this in regards to?
Well, it's a rather personal matter.
That's okay. How can he reach you, Mr. Mercado?
At 555-4857.
555-4857. Fine. I'll give him the message as soon as he returns.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.